Hi everyone, this is Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series, in this video, I am going to explain about the various types of a normal form. So before watching this video, kindly watch my previous video and that I have explained the what is a normalization and their basic definition I have explained over there. So what is meant by normal form means? So initially we are constructing the schema. So that is nothing but we are using a ER diagram to design our database or a table. So if your ER diagram and the table is perfectly correct, then we can automatically convert that thing into a table. Normally while converting our table into our ER diagram into a table means that is a first normal form. So we can say that our first normal form must be a atomic value. So see here, it must have atomic value. Atomic value is nothing but it must have only a single value, not more than one value to be present for a single attribute. That is the meaning for atomic. Here I am giving the student can take the course. Here there is a two entity. That is a two table. A student table contain the ID, name, address, and phone number. If it is, I represent like this, it is a multi-valued attribute. This is a composite attribute. The course, it will have a two attribute. One is a CID and CNAME. So this is the thing over there. In the first normal form, first point, it should not contain the composite or a multi-valued attribute. So a previous slide I explained about this is a composite attribute, multi-valued attribute. But here I have mentioned it is in a single value attribute. But it should not be like that because a Jenny can contain either she is having P1 and P2. So as per first normal form, it must have only an atomic value. Each cell must contain only a single value. So this is not at all possible over here. And also this also not possible over here because it will have a two value, Tamil Nadu and India address belongs to. So in this case, we have to decompose our data. So this is the second point given over here. Each attribute or tuple should be atomic value. That is, a cell must contain a single value. And also a column should contain the same data type or a domain. For example, under the address, you can't able to give a phone number. Under the name, you can't able to give a ID. Every attribute must have their own value and their own domain value. It should not have other domain values. Second thing is each column must be a unique name. Here, I can't able to give the another table name is a phone number. So instead of that, I have to give phone number 1 and phone number 2. Your attribute must be a unique. And also there should not have any ordering because normally in our database or a table, which one is entered first, that will be stored in the first value. So it should not, rows and columns does not have a ordering, as a first normal should not contain any duplicate value. See, these are the various rules to be formed while converting our ER diagram into a normal form. So this is the how a first normal form can be written. So we see through that this particular table is not in a first normal form. So we're going to decompose our thing into a different thing because we will know about the primary key and the foreign key. So through that one, a relationship can be established. So by using this two key only, we're going to decompose our table into a two different forms. See here, if I give SID, SNAME, state, country, phone number 1, here it is phone number 1 and phone number 2. So if I have decomposed my table like this means all the people does not have a dual phone number. See through that Poil can have only one number. Akash can have only one number. In this case, many attributes, many tuples can have a null value. So this is also not possible. See here, if you are split like this, I'm going to divide my table into a two table. Here in my first table, I'm going to keep it as name, SID, name, state, and country. In my second table is fully deals with the phone number, SID and phone number. Here SID is a primary key. Here SID is a foreign key. This is a one-to-many relationship. So this, if I decompose like this, definitely these type of problems can be removed. So this is the how we are decomposing our table like this in a first normal form. So in my next video, we're going to see about the second normal form, third normal form and all. Thank you for watching my video.